Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about power connectors presented by Rensi Gajibra, Tisha Sutaria and Nelly Viradia. We will talk about power connectors and their types. Types of power connectors. There are 4 types of power connectors: barrel connector, Molex connector, JEC connectors, JST connectors. First of all, if we talk about barrel connectors, there are 2 barrel connectors, male and female. If we talk about it, then barrel connectors, also known as the barrel plugs or coaxial power connectors, are cylindrical connectors commonly used for various electronic devices. They consist of a hollow cylindrical metal pin and a corresponding socket that fits around the pin. These connectors are often used to supply power to devices like laptops, musical instruments, and electronics gadgets. They come in various sizes with different inner and outer diameter measurements to accommodate different power requirements. If we talk about Molex connectors, then there are also 2 Molex connectors, male and female. In that, Molex connectors are commonly used in computers and other electronic devices to provide secure and reliable connections between various components such as hard drives, optical drives, fans, and power supplies. They come in various sizes and configuration, including different numbers of pins to accommodate different purposes. One of the key features of Molex connector is their ease of use. They typically have a plug and socket design, allowing for easy insertion and removal. The connectors are polarized, meaning they can only be connected in one orientation and ensuring proper alignment and preventing incorrect connections. Molex connectors are also known for their durability and ability to withstand vibrations and shocks, making them suitable for applications in harsh environments. They are widely used in industries such as automotive, aerospace, and telecommunications. If we talk about IEC connectors, there are also 2 IEC connectors, male and female. If we talk about IEC connectors are designed to ensure safety and compatibility across different electronic devices. They typically consist of a male plug and a female socket, allowing easy connections and disconnections of devices. One of the most common types is the IEC C13 connector, which is used for computer power cords and often seen in desktop computers, monitors, and printers. The C14 connector, a male version of C13, is commonly found on power supplies of electronic devices. There are variants such as C7, also known as the figure 8 or shotgun connector, and C5, commonly used for laptop power supplies. These connectors are widely adopted due to their standardized design, ensuring interoperability and safety in various electrical appliances. If we talk about JST connectors, there are 2 JST connectors, male and female. JST connectors are a widely used type of electrical connector manufactured by the JST Corporation, a Japanese company specializing in the production of connectors and other electronic components. These connectors are popular in a variety of applications due to their small size, reliability, and ease of use. JST connectors come in different series and types, each suited for specific purpose. They are commonly used in applications such as consumer electronics, automotive components, and industrial equipments. Some key features of JST connectors include their compact size, secure locking mechanism, and the ability to handle low to moderate power levels. Thank you.